Hi guys, welcome back. So I'm really excited to announce a full stack Golang course where we'll be using React.js for frontend and Golang for backend. And we're building a simple to-do list, but it's not very simple because we're going to be using React and Golang together, right? So there's already a to-do list, Golang small mini series on my channel, but that has simple HTML. It doesn't have React. So here in this case, in this course, we're using React.js. All right. Now the color scheme and the CSS is not the best out here, and I agree. And I'm sure you're better at CSS than me because I'm not really good at CSS. So once we're done with this course, you can take this code and then you can change the CSS and use it for your own, as per your own taste. And so it's basically, let's say if you want to create a new to-do, right? Create React course. So you type it out here and then you can see it at the bottom of the list. It gets added. And then you have 3 buttons, done, undo, and delete. And all of these work. So if you click on done, it puts a cross line there. If you say undo, you can, it becomes a task again, which you can complete again. And you can delete the tasks as well, right? So it's going to be quite an interesting course. And we have both of our servers running here. So we have a separate server for React, separate server for Golang. And it's a completely full stack course and you'll really enjoy it. So now let me show you the project structure or the flow as in how we're going to build this entire. So the approach that we'll be following is this. So our backend file will have models and where we'll define the model for a to do, and then we'll have our routers where we'll create our routes that the front end will call. And then we'll have, we'll have our route handling functions here, and then we'll have our middleware. The middleware will be responsible for connecting with the DB and then fetching all the to-dos from the database, creating inside the database, creating a new to-do inside the database, and completing a to-do, editing a to-do, and deleting a to-do. All of these things inside database, right? So all of those things will be handled by our middleware, and our front end will take care of just 2 files, to-do file, and there will be a test file, and that is it. So it's not going to be very complicated, but just because it has React and Golang, so some people might find it a little confusing or a little difficult. But if you already have an experience with Golang and React, you won't have any difficulty. So I hope you're as excited as I am for building the course. So I'm going to be releasing a video in this small series once every week, or it may take me longer. So you have to be patient, and do stay subscribed to this channel so that you come to know whenever I start uploading videos while writing the code. And thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next episode.